Welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel. Today I am going to show you how we repotted our Christmas cactus and how beautifully it bloomed in the month of January in our garden. So please keep watching the video till the end where we will be showcasing our full bloomed Christmas cactus. For repotting our Christmas or Thanksgiving cactus that we have got from the nursery, we have taken a plastic pot which has got pores at the bottom of the pot. Better option can be terracotta pots, obviously. As potting mix, we have selected 50% cinder and 50% leaf mold. Christmas cactus always prefers an acidic pH of its potting mix. To the cinder and leaf mold, we are adding a teaspoon of fungicide and mix it well. We have added the fungicide over the leaf mold and mixed it well, and after that we will be adding and mixing up it with cinder. Christmas cactus grows more typically in the tropical rainforests like Brazil. But unlike its cousins or other genus of cactus, this kind of cactus prefers cooler climates and humidity as well. The blooms of this Christmas cactus or Thanksgiving cactus are beautiful and long lasting. They are often given to the near and dear ones during Christmas or Thanksgiving ceremonies. Now comes the main repotting part. Let us take out the plant from its original packaging and the potting mix that has been provided by the nursery. At the bottom of the porous tub, we have kept a net over which we will be putting our potting mix. And see, these are our winter blooms. How beautiful they are, isn't it? Now let us put in the potting mix. We will put it till half of the pot fills up. Now let us put in the beautiful cactus plants along with its root. The roots are always delicate, so please handle it with care. Now as we have put in and placed the Christmas cactus inside the pot, we will be filling the rest of the potting mix just like this. So yes, you can see our repotting of the Christmas cactus is done. We will be keeping it under bright but indirect sunlight. We can keep this plant indoor, but we have decided to keep it outdoors where it receives a little indirect sunlight during the mornings. After a few days, as you can see, the buds are appearing. Now, these Christmas cactus are more of a succulent and are epiphytic in nature. They can grow on trees or rocky surfaces, on moss beds. The leaves of the plants are segmented and serrated and are pointed like claws of crabs. You can see as the days are passing, the buds are blooming finally. It's winter time and we have kept the plant outside and it's enjoying and blooming properly under indirect bright sunlight. But during summers, when the buds will not be there and the blooms will be falling off, we will take them off to a cooler, shady place. We need to water it every 2 to 3 days, but also if you feel the topsoil is a little dry, then only you can water it. But primarily they bloom only at lower temperatures during the winters. And you can see the flowers are tubular in nature and they move downwards but a little upwards as well. Now let me tell you a secret. Christmas cactus and Thanksgiving cactus are not the same. This is more of a Thanksgiving cactus. The flowers are peach in color. You can get red, white and pink Christmas cactus as well. Now let us take the final glimpse of our fully bloomed Christmas cactus that has bloomed in our rooftop garden in the month of January 2024. Hope you liked the video. If you like, you can click on the like button, subscribe and share as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please enjoy the view till the end of the video. Please take care and bye-bye.